Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Asavela recently celebrated her baby girl's first birthday, guys, and she showed us her face for the first time because she has been posting her, but she was not showing off the face. I'm guessing she was just waiting for Ugel to just like grow nyana, and not rush into showing off her face on social media. But yes, Asavela celebrated her daughter's first birthday on the 18th of August, and Ugel looks so cute, guys. She is so cute. She has big hair, like I'm even thinking good maybe the hair she takes it from her mom, because also the mother Naya, she has she has nice hair, guys. She has nice rich hair. So guess Anna, when she celebrated this birthday party, it was like just pictures and it was not a serious birthday party. It was only her and the daughter. I don't know behind the scenes mhlambe the husband was there, but I only saw her and the daughter. So I don't know, guys. I'm sure you are watching this vele. As you are watching this, I'm sure you guys know already there are rumors ukuthi Asavela is getting a divorce. See, the husband is divorcing her after the husband cheated with Buhle Samuels, so it's still rumors at this point because they haven't confirmed. Both of them have not yet confirmed. So it's still rumors. I also went to check on her Instagram. She didn't say anything, and she still has pictures, man. She still has pictures where she was pregnant and took those pictures with the husband, showing off their rings and all of that. So I'm still confused. Vele, are they really divorcing? Or it's just rumors? Because guys, social media can break your relationship, Kesana, when it comes to rumors, But yes, guys, she celebrated the birthday. Ugel is so cute, guys. I love the hair, the face. She is just the cutest thing ever, So maybe the husband was there, just that she didn't post the husband. It could be that he was there just behind the scenes. We really don't know. But yes, Ugel was turning 1, and Asavela just shared this moment and also said ukuthi it was the happiest day of her life, guys. Just like any mother, just like any mom would feel. So she posted on Instagram, and this is the caption that she wrote: "Happy birthday, Pin Pin." And then people also commented. People like Kulinda Mtoba said, "Happy birthday, my baby Pin Pin, and happy birthday to you, Mama." So I don't know, is it also her birthday, guys? Was it also her birthday on the 18th? I don't know, but this picture was posted on the 18th of August. And also Opel Tusi commented and said she's literally going to be the face of everything. She's cute, guys. She is cute, and also she looks like her mom. Just a bit light skinned, So we will see, guys. We will see. I just feel like we should just wait for her to confirm that she is really getting a divorce, because people are just speculating now and gooby, but yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.